welcome to Lavonnes Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen making a chicken tortilla casserole. Talking about something yummy. It's gonna be cheesy, lots of chicken, and then we're gonna top it off with a little bit of sour cream and eat it at the end. So let's get to it. Saute the onions and garlic and some butter and a little oil. Chicken is almost done from cooking in the crock pot. Add garlic powder, black pepper, and chili powder. Add chicken stock. About a cup. Add my rotelle chilies. Cream of chicken soup. Add my cream of mushroom soup. Combine well. So I got my chicken breast out of the crock pot, and now I'm going to chop it up, shred it up, should I say, and put it into my... Let me get another fork and shred this. You see how tender it is? It's so easy to just get up in the morning, throw a chicken breast in the crock pot, and you can do so many different things with it by the middle of the day. Just throw it on a salad. You can make soup. You can throw it in some gravy. It's just so many things you could do with it. It's already cooked. You could just eat it just with some vegetables. Shred it up. Look how tender that is. All I did was put some seasoning on it and put it in the crock pot. Okay. Now I'm going to add this to my mixture. I probably should have used a bigger skillet. That's a lot going on in there. Mix this up, and this part will be done. We can go ahead and start to layer our casserole after this. So I'm gonna start to layer my casserole. Because I had the large quesadillas, I'm cut mine in half. So I'm gonna layer the bottom. We're gonna add our mixture. It smells so good. Spread that out. We're going to add our 5-cheese Mexican blend cheese. Then we're going to repeat the process until all the mixture is gone. I'm going to I'm going to put them back the same way. We'll just keep repeating the process. I'm actually going to zigzag these. The other ones were going this way. I'm going to make these go that way so that I just want to make sure everything is covered. And again, repeat the process. This will be our last time. And this will be our last time, so I'm just going to add cheese to this one, and we can stick it in the oven. So my last layer is going to be cheese. I'm gonna cover it with foil, put it in the oven on 350 degrees. There we go, nice and cheese everywhere. Nice generous coat. So I put it in the oven for 25 minutes covered with foil. When the 25 minutes are up, I'm gonna take the foil off and let it cook for an additional 10 minutes. Then we'll be back. So I have taken it out of the oven. I let it cook on 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Covered with foil. I took the foil off, let it cook for an additional 10 minutes, and then I let it sit here for 10 minutes to cool off so that when I cut into it, it doesn't fall apart. So let's cut into it and see if it's gonna fall apart or not. So, I guess I should have used a knife. Let's try the knife first, because I want to make sure that tortilla at the bottom is cut. I'm gonna get me some sour cream to put on top of this. I'll be right back. So I decided to get a little fancy with it and add a little green onions to it as well. Look at that. And my sour cream. I like sour cream on Mexican type foods. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Oh yeah. That's how easy that was. Oh, this is good, y'all. Oh wow. Look at all this cheese and all this chicken in there. You see those tomatoes. Those onions. See the tortilla? The tortilla back there. It's a whole meal. It's a whole meal. Oh, let me stop, because I'm enjoying this a little bit too much. But I want you guys to check it out. I'm gonna put the recipe and all the ingredients down in the description, but I'm going to finish this. And guess what I need you guys to do? That's right. Hit that subscribe button for me. And guess what? I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye. Mm.